A guilty plea was entered in a high-profile firearms case today. Joining us over the phone is province reporter Keith Fraser, who is at the Vancouver Law Courts. Keith, can you tell us what happened?
One of two men charged in a high-profile firearms case entered guilty pleas to possession of firearms, including an Uzi submachine gun. Philip Wan Lee entered his pleas before BC Supreme Court Associate Chief Justice Austin Cullen. He is not being sentenced today. His sentencing's been put over until May the 1st. He faces the Crown and the defense are expected to give a joint submission on sentencing. He faces, however, a mandatory minimum of 3 years in prison for the possession of the firearms. The firearms were seized from a Surrey apartment in 2012 after an investigation by police into the murder of a Vancouver gangster by the name of Sandeep Dure at Vancouver's Wall Centre in January of 2012. They were investigating a co-accused of Mr. Lee, a man by the name of Dean Witcher, and they were also investigating a conspiracy to commit murder alleged to have been committed by the two accused in the firearms case. Mr. Witcher's firearms trial is expected to continue in April.